This is my audio with a truck engine noise in the background.
And this is my audio that has been cleaned up.
So today, I'm going to show you on how you can improve the audio quality that you have recorded using your phone, tablet, laptop, or any mediocre microphone device so you can make it to sound like it was recorded in a studio environment. And the tool that you can use is available for free. So let's open Adobe Podcast. You can actually go to Google and type Adobe Podcast and you can open the website. So this is an official AI tool by Adobe to improve the audio quality that might be recorded using a suboptimal environment or suboptimal hardware. So here you can click Enhance Speech. This is the button. And basically it will bring you to this tool, Enhance Speech version 2. So you have to sign up to this tool, you have to use your Adobe account, but don't worry, this tool is completely free. And in fact, you should be able to get 1 hour of daily limit, which is I think quite generous. Now you can just drag and drop the file, or you can click on this button to select the file from your computer. Now for this demonstration, I'll try to use this audio that I prepared. I'm going to upload the file right here. Now just wait until the file is uploaded, and by the way, it will actually improve or try to process the audio automatically once it is uploaded. But in case you're wondering, this is what the original audio sounds like.
This is my audio with a lot of people talking in the background.
Yep, that was the audio. Still enhancing, don't worry about that, it's going to take less than 1 minute most of the time and can take up to 10 minutes for a very long audio file. So we just need to wait a little bit more. And maybe another thing that you want to know is that Adobe is still enhancing this AI feature. Sometimes they're going to be releasing a new update or a new improvement, and right now we are using the version 2, but maybe in the future when you're watching this video you should be able to see even more options or even more models. So the audio has been improved. I'm going to play the original again and I'll show you the comparison later.
This is my audio with a lot of people talking in the background.
Alright, let's enable the enhanced version.
This is my audio with a lot of people talking in the background.
Now, honestly, it is not perfect because I'm recording this video using OBS. That's a program that I use to record the screen and also record my voice with a lot of processing. But overall, if you're looking for a quick way to improve the audio quality that you might have recorded using a suboptimal hardware or maybe in a less optimal condition, then I think Adobe Podcast is one of the best places on the internet to improve the audio quality. And again, you can use it many times a day. You got 1 hour of data limit, which I think again is quite generous. So that's how you can enhance the audio quality using AI in Adobe Podcast. And if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.